In a world where wealth often disappears after a generation, some families manage to maintain and grow their wealth over centuries. How do they do it? Have you ever pondered on this secret to maintaining wealth across generations? Today we dive into the intricate world of generational wealth creation, an art that the affluent have mastered over centuries. It all begins with a keen understanding of money. Wealth is not solely about immediate gratification or short-term wins. It's about the long-term vision, the legacy that will outlive you. It's about making money work for you rather than you working for money. Step 1. Start with financial education. Understanding money, its value, and how it works is the foundation of wealth creation. Learn about investments, stocks, real estate, and other forms of passive income. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to create wealth. Step 2. Save and invest wisely. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save and how well you invest. Begin by setting aside a portion of your income, no matter how small, and gradually increase as your income grows. Remember, every drop makes an ocean. Step 3. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across various sectors and investment vehicles. This spreads risk and increases the chances of higher returns. Step 4. Build assets, not liabilities. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. A liability, on the other hand, takes money out of your pocket. The wealthy focus on accumulating assets like businesses, property, and stocks. Step 5. Plan for the future. Consider estate planning and creating a will. This ensures your wealth is passed on according to your wishes, securing the future for the next generation. Step 6. Teach financial literacy. One of the biggest mistakes is not passing on the knowledge of wealth creation to the next generation. Teach them the value of money, saving, investing, and financial responsibility. In summary, building generational wealth involves a deep understanding of money, wise saving and investing, diversification of investments, asset acquisition, future planning, and passing on financial literacy. It's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and the right knowledge. It's not just about amassing wealth, but preserving it for generations to come. Remember, the journey to generational wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making strategic decisions that will bear fruit, not just in your lifetime, but for those who come after you. So take the first step today and set the stage for a legacy of wealth.